What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can create or make an international transfer with the Revolut app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you load up your Revolut app, you will be on your homepage right here. So to make an international transfer, you would need to go to the payment section right here in the middle of the screen. From there, once you're on the payment section, just go ahead and tap the plus sign in the upper right corner. And here on this menu, you would be able to select a payment type. So for international transfers, here you can choose between two options, a bank recipient option or a send international option. So both of these work the same way. They both lead you to the same screen, but with a different middle of the process. So the one that I use the most is a bank recipient transfer. So once you tap on that, you can select everything about the recipient's bank account. So all they need to give you is the international bank account number and, depending on your country, the BIC code. So here you can select the recipient's country. So let's say Egypt. Now you would need to paste the account number right here and also all of the required info, like of course first and last name. So once you inputted all those data points, you can just go ahead and tap on add recipient. From there, once you add the recipient, this is how the transfer will look like. So once the recipient is added, you can just input the amount of funds that you would like to transfer. So in this case, I switched to Australia because I'm sending usually money to Australia using this method. So you just input the amount of funds that you want to transfer, then you tap send. And then you would need to review the transfer. So here you just need to see if everything checks out. If you inputted everything correctly, everything should check out. So now you can just go ahead and tap on send, and then you will get your estimate when the recipient will receive the funds that you sent. Also, once they do receive the funds, you will also be notified. So essentially, this guys how you can transfer money internationally using the Revolut app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.